Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers creating the file for direct deposit when using the NPC electronic deposit method in AMS Payroll. The NPC method creates a file in the pairs directory with all of the direct deposit information in it. Once the file is created, it is the user's responsibility to upload the file to NPC for processing so that the funds can be distributed. The program creates a file that uses National Payment Corporation's format specifications. Once the file is created, it is the user's responsibility to submit that file to National Payment Corporation following their instructions. You will need to contact National Payment Corporation to set up an account for NPC processing. To begin, the pair, ABC Payroll has been created, and the payer's data has been entered and verified. The payer and the employee banking information has been set up, and the payroll checks have been entered for the employees. On the main menu, select AMS Payroll. Highlight the payer and click OK. Click Options. Select Electronic Deposits. Select NPC. Most banks require pre-notification for all employees, at least 10 days prior to the first direct deposit. After the first time, pre-notifications should be done for new employees, or when an employee's banking information changes. For the purposes of the tutorial, the pre-notifications have already been done. Select Net Pay Deposits. Click OK. Check either selection if it applies. Then click OK to continue. Next, select the criteria of the employees to include in the NPC file. For more information on the employee criteria, please refer to the program's help files. Click Next. Enter the check dates to include in the ACH file. The dates refer to the dates on the checks, not the payroll period. Select the check filters. Refer to the help files for additional information, and click Next. Enter the NPC password. If you want to change the number of the file extension, change the previous batch number. Click OK. Select Print Mode for print using software-generated forms to print a summary of the file. Print Preview and Multiple Printing, if checked, will allow you to view the report on the screen. Click Next. The payer information has already been set up. The effective date will need to be edited to reflect the date that the funds are to be dispersed. Verify that the other information is correct, and click OK. Click View or Print for a summary of the file. Click Quit to continue. The file is saved, even if it is not uploaded at this time. Select Yes. Upload to NPC website. Click OK. Please note the file name and location. Click OK. Click Continue. The file is ready to submit to the bank for processing. Please follow your bank's instructions on sending the file to them. For further questions, please review the frequently asked questions on our website, or please refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 ETC program. Have a great day.